Now let us understand how to give a name to any organic structure. So there are three basic rules. First, identify the long chain. Second, you have to see whether this chain is a single bonded, whether any double bond is there or any triple bond is there. Then substitute groups are there. These are the new things we will understand. So for example, let us take this chain. In this, let us fill the valency of carbon with hydrogen atom. So first, according to the first rule, we have to identify the chain. Chain means the long chain. You have to see for the chain that consists maximum number of carbon atom. This is a straight chain. This rule will applicable more for the branch chain. In the branch structure, you have to see which is the longest one. Let us try to understand this first. So this is, if you will see, there are only single bonds. There is nowhere double bond or triple bond. And how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Carbon with 4 carbon atoms in a one structure. That means it is but. And no other substitute groups are there. No double bond, no triple bond. So this is alkane group and the suffix will be ane. So this is butane. We can also write this normal butane. Normal butane means it is a straight chain structure of butane. So let us take some more example based on all this group and let us try to understand what are this substitute group. Let us take some more example. This first one, I have taken 3 different example. First one is for single bonded, second one is for double bonded and third one is for triple bonded. Let us see the first one. So first, as per our rule, first we'll identify the chain. If we will see, then this is our main chain, a straight chain, and how many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 carbon atoms. So it will be pent. So it will be pent. Since this is a single bond and it is a straight chain alkane, so the suffix will be ane. It is pentane. So this structure's name is pentane. Let us go to second example. So the first one is chain. Let us identify the chain. This is straight chain. And how many carbon atoms are there? 3 carbon atoms. So name will start with prop. Now if you will see, as per the second rule, we have to see for the bonds. So here double bond is there. So definitely it will be ene, propene. But when you are writing a bond, when you are giving ene or yne, you have to write position for double bond also. So how to identify the position? So for that we are giving a numbering to a long chain. For example, this is our structure and here double bond is there. For example, I am not writing here hydrogen, just to make sure you can understand the numbering. So 1, 2 and 3. This number pattern is from right to left. Now another number pattern. 1, 2 and 3. So I have given here 2 types of numbering. Left to right and right to left. When you are giving this number, you have to carefully see that which number is the smallest. Either third or 1. 1 is the smallest. So when you are giving a number to any bond, why we are giving a number to any bond? It shows that at that position, at that carbon atom, this double bond is there. So we are showing the position for that double bond. and it is necessary that we have to give a smallest possible number to that double bond. So first one is smallest. So I am writing here 1 propene or prop 1 ene. That means prop 1 ene. So in this case I have followed this number pattern, not this. Right? When you are giving a name to any hydrocarbon chain, then when you are giving a numbering to any hydrocarbon chain, you have to see that when we are writing from left to right, the double bond gets a smaller number, or when we are writing opposite direction and double bond will get a smaller number. Which number is the smallest one? That number system you have to follow. So from this and this I have followed this number pattern and I have given 1 propene name, or you can write prop 1 ene. That means there are 3 carbon atoms in the chain and the double bond is at the first position. Now let us try to understand the third one. First, identify the chain. So this is our chain. How many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 is pent. Now if you are seeing here triple bond is there. So definitely it will be Y and E, pentyne. But again, how we have given numbers to double bond, the same way we have to give numbers to this chain also. Let us write here our chain. This is our chain and here is a double bond. So let us understand from right to left. First we will write, then left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In both the number system, which one is the smaller? First one. So we are writing here 1 pentaene or pent 1 ene. You can write like that. It suggests that, it shows that the triple bond is at the first position. So like this, till now we have covered only 2 rules. That when double bond and triple bond will be there, how to give a numbering to them. Let us practice some more example based on this. Now let us practice some more structure. If you are already confident with your naming for alkane, alkene and alkyne, then just pause the video and try to write all this nomenclature by yourself. And those who are still worried about the naming, let us understand how it is. So first one, here first rule is chain. So always keep in a mind, we have to identify our chain and this is our chain. So in this, how many carbon atoms are there? 4 carbon atoms. So it starts with but. Then you see that where is the double bond? Let us give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. When we are giving numbers from right to left and left to right, we got 2 numbers, 3 and 2. So 2 is the smaller one. So we are writing here 2 ene. Why we have kept ene? Because this is double bond. So this is butene, 2 butene. Now let us try to understand this one. First, as per our rule, chain, identify the chain, the main chain. This, how many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it will be pent. Then you see that where is the double bond? Here. Then let us give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and other way around 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now if you will see 2 and 3. So which one is the smallest one? Obviously 2. So it will be 2 in. Pant, 2 in or 2 pantene. Let us understand the third one. In this, which bond is there? Triple bond. Let us see what is chain is there. This is our chain. How many carbon atom are there? 4. So it will be but. Then let us give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Obviously it is in the middle, so it will be 2. 2 YNE or 2 butane. Let us understand third one. Identify the chain. This is our chain. How many carbon atoms are there? 6 carbon atoms. So it will be hex. And let us give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. So hex 3, hexyne, and the double bond is at third position.